In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time in Trello. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or someone who just needs a better way to keep an eye on how your tasks are progressing, this will be an invaluable skill. Let's dive right in and get started. First, let's begin by logging into Trello. When you've navigated to the Trello website, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on Log In. Once you've done that, you should see various options for logging in through different accounts. Here, we're going to keep things simple and click on Google. This will allow you to select your Google account to log in quickly. Make sure you choose the right one that you use for your Trello tasks, and you'll be good to go. Now that you're logged in, it's time to locate your board. Head over to any of your active Trello boards that you'd like to work with. You can do this by clicking on the specific board name from your dashboard. Once you are on your desired board, we need to focus on power-ups. These are essentially add-ons that extend Trello's functionality. Simply navigate towards the right side of your screen and click on Power Ups. Great. Moving on, you'll need to add a new power-up to track your time. Click on Add Power-Ups, which will bring up a catalogue of various options. In the search bar that appears, go ahead and type in the word Activity. What we are doing here is finding a tool that allows us to log time directly within Trello. When the results appear, find the activity power-up and click on Add. As soon as you've added it, you'll be prompted to authorize this power up. Clicking authorize is essential as it will grant the necessary permissions for the activity tool to track time on your Trello cards effectively. Don't worry if you don't see the activity icon immediately. Give it a few moments if it's not showing up right away. It's crucial to let the system take its time to integrate this power up fully. With the power up ready, let's test it out on one of your Trello cards. Go to whichever card you want to start tracking time on. When you open the card, you should now see a timer option available. By clicking on timer, you initiate the time tracking for that particular card. And there you have it. You can now seamlessly track the time allocated to different tasks within your Trello workflow. This approach not only helps in managing your projects more effectively, but also enhances your productivity by helping you see where your time goes. Thank you for watching and happy time tracking in Trello.